Hello everybody, we are here to demonstrate how you can use the registry system to disconnect USB ports. Okay, now to start everything, we need to insert pen drive into the port to notify whether the ports are all working. Okay, now I insert the pen drive into the port. Now let me check whether the pen drive is showing or not. Okay, now you can see the pen drive is showing here, it has been opened. Okay, yeah, this is the pen drive, it is showing now. So now I can see the ports are all active, they are all working. Now we are coming to use the registry system to disconnect the port. So after this, you will no longer see the pen drive showing over there. We start by going to the start button, then I type Regedit, REGEDIT, and enter. Then I click yes. Okay. Now what we need here is the H key local machine. So I will expand the H key local machine. So what the next place to go is the system. I'll also expand the system. So from the system we go to the current control set. Expand. Now we go to services. Then I expand the services. Now what we need here is USB store in capital letters. So let me search for the USB store in capital letters. USB store in capital letters. Okay, now here it is. From here we find and type start here in this space, START, enter. Okay, now you can see the start is showing over here. So what we need to do now is to open that. Okay, now you can see 3 written in that box, meaning the ports are all working. So the default is the 3. Now to enable the port, all we need to do now is to clear the 3 and type 4, and after that we restart the machine. Okay, now you see the 4 there. So let's restart the machine. Now we are restarting the machine. We are waiting for the machine to finish its restarting process. Then after that we check to see whether the pen drives are not showing anymore. That will make our work successful. Okay, now we wait for the machine to finish restarting to know whether our aims will be successful or not. We are just waiting for the machine to finish restarting. Then we check to see if the pen drive is showing or not. Yes. The machine is still okay. Now it has been we open the password. Yes. So we are going to check from there to know whether the pen drive is showing or not. Previously it was showing, so now we are going to see if it's still showing or not. Okay, now you can see the pen drive is not showing anymore. The pen drive is not showing anymore. This means the USB port has been disconnected. The USB port has been disconnected. This makes our aim successful. Thank you everybody for watching this video.